Hello friends, welcome to Python tutorial for beginners part 7. So this is the 7th video of this series. If you have not seen the previous videos, please go through that in order to understand Python in detail. Okay, so this is for beginners, and in this case we will be discussing Python string operations. So if you have not seen what is string data type, please go to the 6th video. The link I have given in the description box. So you have to watch that video in order to understand this video. Okay, so in this video we will see the different operations which are done in Python in string. Okay, string data type. Okay, so this will be very easy. So the first operation that we are going to discuss is how to concatenate. Okay, concatenation of two or more string. So what is concatenation? So it is basically of joining the string. So in this case, let us see the example. So let us suppose I have declared this three string I have declared, C1, C2 and C3, and in each string I have declared the string how are you. Okay, now suppose I want to join this, I want to join all these three string, then we have to use concatenation, and for that it is very simple. You have to just use this plus symbol. Plus will basically join the two string. Okay, so C1 plus C2 plus C3. Okay, so let me run this. Yeah, and you can see it has printed everything in a single line. It has joined how with R and similarly R with U. So just use a plus symbol and it will join the string, which is called string concatenation. Now suppose you want to give a space, so just give a space here and similarly a space here, and now if I join this, yeah, you can see space has been given. So whatever the string will be, it will be joined as it is. Even a space is there, it will also be considered. Okay, so this was about concatenation. Now this second example is we were printing C1 into 3. Okay, so let us say this was the string C1. So into, if I do multiplication, it means it will repeat the same string 3 times. So you can see it has printed how in 3 times. Similarly you can change this, suppose 8 times. Now if I run this, yeah, you can see how has been printed 8 times. Similarly we can use C2 also, yeah, R like that. Okay, so this was two operation. Okay, now moving to the next thing. So let us say I have a string and I want to find the length of this string, because sometimes see we are asked to find the length of the string. Okay, sometimes a string is a bit large, so we have to find the length of the string. So for that we have to just use this len. Len will basically give the length of the string. So after len you have to give the name of the variable. So in this case the variable is c. So len bracket and then c. Now if I run this, yeah, you can see it is printing 6, and we can count it also, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So Python is consisting of 6 characters. So length will basically give the number of character including space. Now let us say I include 1 2 space here. Okay, now if I run this, it will give 8, because 6 character is there and 2 space is there. Okay, so space will also be included in case of length. Okay, now coming to the split the screen, split the string. Okay, so this is also beneficial in programming. So a split, by this word only you can understand splitting means dividing the string. Okay, so let us say I have declared this two strings C and D. Now if I want to split means basically in simple word you can understand like cut it. Okay, so I want to split wherever space is there. Okay, so let us say I want wherever I want to do like this. So suppose this is a string and I want that whenever a space is there, just cut it, just separate everything. So one cut will be here, another will be here, one is after A, one is after demo. So for that it is very simple, you have to write just like this. So the string that we have to split, you have to write this. So in this case C dot and then split keyword should be used, and after split you have to give double quotes. Okay, and inside double quotes you have to give where you want to split, at what character. So in this case I want to split at space, so just give space. Sorry. Similarly, in D string, in this string, I want to split wherever this dot is there. Okay. So wherever this dot is there, I want to split it. So in this case I have done like this. D dot split, and inside quotes you have to give where you want to split. So I am saying that whenever or wherever you get this dot symbol, just split it. Okay. Now if I run this, okay, so you can see the first one, this string, it has been splitted wherever space was there. So this so we are getting this block one by one. This is there, is there, a demo string, all has been splitted in form of a list. And in similarly in the second case we have splitted wherever this dot is appearing. So in this case it will split into, this is line 1, and then this is line 2, and then this is line 3. So I think this is very simple. You have to use the split, just you have to give name of the variable dot split, and then inside quotes where you want to split. Now let us say in case of C, I want to split wherever is there or A is there. Okay, so the moment you encounter A, just cut it. And in second case what to do? So let us say whenever line is there, just cut it. Now if I print this, okay, so you can see whenever A is there, so it will cut here. Okay, it will cut here. So we will get two parts, one is this is and one is demo string. So you can see one we got this is and one we got demo string. Okay, and in second case we cut it whenever line is there. So if I cut here, we will get two, one part is this is, okay, and another part will be total. Now again it will cut here, so there will be three cut, one is here, one is here, and one is here. So the parts that we will be getting is 3 is, and one will be this one, and another will be this one, and finally after line which is 3. So this was about split. I think you are getting it. Okay, so after that these are some few operations. It is very easy. I think by this word only you will get it. Okay, so this is self-explanatory. So let us say I have declared a variable C and I have stored a value string welcome. Now these are some operations. So if you want to capitalize, okay, means capitalize first letter, so you have to just do like this, name of the variable dot capitalize, and then this round bracket. Similarly this one is alpha. Is alpha will basically check if the string contains only alphabet or not. So if the string will contain only alphabet, it should print true, but if it contains suppose number also, it should print false. And the next one is all num. It basically check if a string contains only alphabet and number. So all num is basically alphabet and number. So all these three are used for checking. In this case it will capitalize it, but in this case it will check is it only alphabet, or in this case it will check is it only alphabet and number. Okay, so whenever is there, it means it is checking it. Okay, so let me run this. So the first one will capitalize it. So as you can see, the first word has been made in caps. Is alphabet, so it is checking whether C is containing only alphabet or not. So in this case we can say it is only containing alphabet, so it will print true. Similarly in this case it will check, okay, is C containing only alphabet and number, so it is also true because it is only containing alphabet. Now if it will contain number also, now if I run this, yeah, again you say last one is true, alphabet and number, but only alphabet is false because it is also containing number. So these are some. Now moving to next, which is again I have declared a string, and in this case we are seeing three things. Okay, is lower, is upper, is numeric. So I think by seeing this only you should get it. So is lower will check if string contains all lowercase character. Is upper will check if string contains all uppercase character, and is numeric will check if it contains only number. Now if I run this, Okay, so the first one is true, is lower, means all the character is lower, and we can see also, we can verify this, that all are in lowercase, so it is true. Is upper will check if string contains all uppercase, so I think this is false because it is not all upper. Okay. Is numeric will check if this contains only number, so it is also false because all these are characters. Now if I do numbers 1 2 3, now if I run this, you can see the last one is true, only number. Okay, and these two are false. Okay, so the last thing that we are going to see is dot upper, dot lower, and dot upper. This will basically convert all uppercase to lower, and the upper will convert all lowercase to upper. Lower will convert all upper to lower, and upper will convert lower to upper. Okay, so if I run this, okay, so e dot lower will lower everything, means convert to lowercase. So this has converted everything into lowercase, and dot upper will convert every character into uppercase. So you can see this is the result. Okay, so this was all about different string operations, and I hope it's clear. So thank you guys.